Good morning. Welcome to the KSE newscast. Please stand and join me in a pledge of allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today is Thursday, February 16, 2023. Today's weather is a high of 73, low of 50, rainy, and an 81% chance of rain. With today's breakfast is sausage biscuit, milk, juice. Today's lunch is sloppy joe, tarts, green beans, and milk juice. Sorry for today's date. I know it's wrong. February 16th birthdays are the Ledger, Christians, Jackson, and Talia. Happy birthday! Today's announcements, Dr. Seuss. We will be celebrating Dr. Seuss the week of February 22nd through March 3rd. A flyer will be sent home with details about the theme days. On March 2nd, we will have guest readers coming to read to our students. Snack money. Please make sure that snack bag and money are sent up by 9:30 each morning. If students are late, they are not allowed to purchase any snack. Uniforms. Many of our students are wearing non-uniform outerwear each day. Please be sure that they take off outerwear that is not of our uniform policy. If you need additional uniform policies to highlight and send home with your students, they are in the front office. Gum. We have seen an increased number of students chewing gum lately. Please do not allow students to chew gum in the building. Today's late duty is misleading. Important dates. February 16th, Michael Green Science Mission. February 17th, fourth grade field trip. February 20th through 24th, Mardi Gras break, no school. February 27th through March 3rd, Dr. Seuss theme week and monitoring week. March 7th, spring preachers, ACAP and alternate begins. March 21st, teacher work day. March 22nd, ACAP summative begins. Remember, if you have any questions, please send them up in the box in the library. The joke of the day: Why is the bee's hair so sticky? Because they use honeycomb. Ha ha ha! So funny. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Thursday.